children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Yes, so eat healthy and stay healthy. So in today ICT class, we are going to learn about the topic healthy practices. Okay, so you all know our units. So today we are going to learn about healthy practices while using computers or gadgets. Let us move to today's class.
Okay children, let us see the healthy practices while using computers. So in this we are going to see do's of computer and don'ts of computer. Let us move to the concept. Okay, so first we are going to see do's of computers. Okay, so what are all the things we have to do while using the computers? Okay children, first you have to keep clean. You have to keep the computer and its surrounding area clean. Okay, so we have to prevent the computer from the dust, so we have to keep clean the computer and its surrounding area. Okay, and then share equally, so you have to take turns in using the keyboard and mouse. Give space to your classmates while using the computer. If you are using the computer in your home, you have to share with your siblings. Okay, so you should not quarrel with them and argue with them. Okay, so you have to share the computer equally. Okay children, next you have to maintain the correct posture. Keep your chair at a proper height. Maintain a proper distance from the monitor. You should not sit close to the monitor, since if you are close to the monitor, it will affect your eyes. So you have to maintain a proper distance from the monitor. Break and exercises. You have to take regular breaks and take exercise to keep fit. Since you are using the computer for a long time, you should take a break and you have to exercise. Okay, why? Because if you are continuously using the computer, you will have any pain in your body and in your eyes. Okay, so to prevent that, you have to do some exercise. Okay, these are up to the do's of computer. Okay, next we can see don'ts of computer. What are all the things you should not do while using the computer? So in that, first, you should not drink or eat near the computer. Okay, suppose if you are eat or drink anything near the computer, so that food particles or juice anything will fall on the keyboard or any other parts of the computer. It will make damage to the computer. Okay, so you should not eat or drink near the computer. Next, you should not disturb others by playing loud music. You have to listen to the music in a very low range. That is the thing which is here to your ear only. Okay, you should not disturb others by playing loud music. And then do not use the computer in an improper posture, that is in stand or bend your back. Okay, like that you should not use the computer. You have to maintain the proper posture. Next, do not use the computer for more than an hour per day. Okay, you should use the computer 1 hour per day only. You should not use the computer for the long time. So these are the don'ts of computer. Next, healthy practices while using gadgets. Gadgets in the sense, it may be a mobile device or tab or anything else. Since you are using the mobile device or tab, okay, there comes under the gadgets. Okay, so here we are going to see do's of mobile devices and don'ts of mobile devices. Okay, so do's of mobile devices. Be safe. First, ask an adult to adjust the brightness of the device to keep the eyes safe. You should not use the mobile device with the full brightness. Okay, so it will affect your eyes. So you have to adjust the brightness for using. Next, be gentle. So before using the touch screen, you have to wash your hands. So after immediately washing your hands, you should not touch the screen since it is wet. Okay, you have to make your hand dry and then only you have to use the screen of the mobile device. Next, you have to maintain a correct posture. So keep your back straight and your mobile device at a healthy distance from your eyes. You should not bring your mobile device very close to your eyes. Okay, and then share equally. So you have to use the mobile device with your family members or friends also. You have to share equally. Okay, these are the do's of mobile devices. Next, we are going to see don'ts of mobile devices. So, do not use mobile phones at a petrol pump since it will cause some fire accident. So, you should not use the mobile phones at the petrol pump. And then do not damage the device by dropping it on the floor. You have to hold it properly while using the device, since if you left it carelessly, it will break down. Okay, so you have to keep the mobile device safe. And then do not use the device by putting it too close to your eyes, and do not bend your back. You have to maintain a proper posture. Do not keep the device only to yourself. You have to share with your family members. Okay, these are the don'ts of mobile devices. So far we have learned do's and don'ts of computer and gadgets like mobile devices. Okay, let us move to the activity. Put tick for correct statements and cross for incorrect statements. There are 5 statements I have given here. So read the sentence carefully and put tick for correct statements and cross for incorrect statements. First one, we can share the mobile devices to our family members or friends. We can eat or drink near the computer while using it. We should not disturb others by playing loud music. We should not clean the computer. We should not damage the mobile device by dropping it on the floor. So read it properly and then put tick for correct statements and cross for incorrect statements. Next, classify the do's and don'ts activity while using mobile devices. So 4 sentences I have given here. If it is comes under do's, you have to write it in do's column. If it is comes under don'ts, you have to write it in don'ts column. Ask an adult to adjust the brightness of the device to keep the eyes safe. Do not use mobile phone at a petrol pump. Wash your hands before using the touch screen. Do not use the device by putting it too close to your eyes, and do not bend your back. So read the sentence carefully and do the activity. So do the activity in your ICT activity note. So far you have understand the class very well. So do the activity in your activity note.
Okay children, today we have learned the concept of healthy practices of computer and gadgets. I hope you all understand the topic very well. So next week we can see the next topic. And finally, thank you my dear students.